Hello friends, today, I want to tell you about how to get pregnant naturally. Infertility is a rising problem in today's society. I try to find accurate info on how much is spent annually on infertility treatments, and I kept getting results for ways to finance treatments for infertility. How to reverse infertility. This is the specific system I use when working with women on fertility, but it is also very useful for helping with PMS, cramping, fatigue, heavy periods and other hormone-related problems. It is designed to address all issues that can contribute, and short of a physical inability to conceive, it will work. Step A. Nutrition. Some nutritional ways to help optimize fertility. 1. Remove processed grains, other processed foods, sugars and starches from the diet. Obtain more nutrient-dense carbohydrates from vegetables, some fruits and starchy sources like sweet potatoes and squash. 2. Increase healthy fats in the diet, especially from sources like coconuts, coconut oil, olives and olive oil, butter, grass-fed meats, eggs, avocado and nuts. 3. Get enough protein especially from grass-fed meats, eggs, and nuts. This is also important during pregnancy, as adequate protein can help minimize the risk of certain pregnancy complications. Step B. Lifestyle factors. Most lifestyle factors are also easy to fix with a little effort. The most common lifestyle factors that can increase fertility are: 1. Getting enough sleep. Sleep plays a vital role in production of many hormones. Studies have shown that women with low melatonin and serotonin levels have a shorter luteal phase, time between ovulation and menstruation, and consequently have a lower chance of conceiving the day, or going to bed a few hours earlier. 2. Minimize exposure to harmful chemicals. This should be a book in itself, but most women notice improvement from limiting exposure to household chemicals, plastic water bottles and conventional cosmetic and beauty products. 3. Get the right amount of exercise. Getting adequate exercise is important for fertility, but too much can have the opposite effect. Most women do well with several hours of recreational activity a week, walking, fun sports, or swimming, and a few weight training sessions. Too much moderate, intensive exercise will keep the body from ovulation if done regularly.